Let's get started with memory allocation. So now we need to talk about this second question, which is pretty important. When are allocations a problem? This is already an important concept to have in mind, something to realize in game development. Not all allocations are a problem. So you might see people talking about, oh, you're doing too many allocations, that's bad. And the answer is not necessarily. So not all allocations are a problem for you. Let's dive into these concepts. First, an allocation is a problem only if they are allocated on the heap. This is usually on reference types every time that you use like a class. The second condition for an allocation to be a problem for you, to be a concern for you, is when these allocations are only temporary. Basically, if you plan to allocate some memory and you don't really need to release it because you actually want to use it forever, then that is not a problem. So allocations, again, are only a problem if they are allocated in the heap, and second, they are just temporary. If you allocate something on the heap and you want to keep using that for the rest of the application, for example, if you have a dictionary or a pool or something like this, then that is fine.